In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate an order form into your Wix website, ensuring that your customers can make purchases with ease. Our aim is to make this process as straightforward as possible, even if you don't have extensive technical expertise. So, let's get started on elevating your e-commerce experience. First things first, you'll need to access the Wix editor. Begin by logging into your Wix account, where you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here, you'll find your website prominently listed. Simply click on Edit Site, which will open the Wix editor interface. This is where all the magic happens, and where you can add, adjust, and fine-tune elements of your site to suit your business needs. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to navigate to the specific page where you want to showcase your order form. This is important, as it should be, in a place that's easily accessible to your customers, perhaps on a dedicated shop page, or integrated into a landing page, highlighting your products or services. Now, it's time to add the form element itself. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and locate the plus icon. This is your gateway to various elements you can add to your site. Click on it, and you'll see a range of options pop up. Select Payment from this menu, as we're focused on creating a seamless purchasing experience for your visitors. Under the Payment Forms section, you'll find a variety of order form templates at your disposal. Choose one that aligns with the aesthetic and functional needs of your site. You can simply drag and drop the template right to the section of the page where you want it to appear. This is the beauty of Wix. Its drag and drop capability makes customization a breeze. With your order form in place, the next crucial step involves setting up your payment options. Click on Form Settings or Setup within the form element itself. Here, you'll have the ability to configure how payments will be accepted on your site. Whether it's through credit cards, PayPal, or even manual payments like cash on delivery, Wix provides a variety of choices to cater to different customer preferences. Do bear in mind, however, that a premium plan might be required to unlock all of these features. Customization is key, so let's make this form truly yours. Begin by clicking Edit Form to modify the fields. You can add essential fields like name and email, or even product options. Don't shy away from personalizing the design through form settings to change the layout, text, colors, and even add animations to enhance user engagement. Additionally, manage how you receive submissions by setting up email notifications to ensure all orders are communicated promptly to the appropriate email address. Finally, once your form is customized and ready to go, make sure to click Publish. This crucial step will make your new order form live on your website, opening up your business to orders from eager visitors. Congratulations! You've just made a big step in enhancing your site's functionality and boosting your business's potential.